Everyone has an inner drive to improve, to become the best version of themselves. This drive is what pushes us to wake up early, to hit the gym, to push through the pain and fatigue. It's a relentless pursuit of excellence, a journey that is as rewarding as it is challenging. This journey is unique to each individual, a personal quest for self-improvement. No two paths are the same, and that's what makes it so special. Each person has their own goals, their own reasons for embarking on this journey. Some seek to lose weight, others to gain muscle, and some simply want to feel healthier and more confident in their own skin. It's about unlocking your full potential, both physically and mentally. Fitness is not just about the body, it's about the mind as well. The discipline, the focus, the mental toughness you develop through training can be applied to all areas of your life. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, inside and out. This is your own masterpiece waiting to be sculpted. Every drop of sweat, every rep, every set is a brushstroke on the canvas of your body. You are the artist, and your body is the masterpiece. It's a work in progress, but with dedication and hard work, you can create something truly extraordinary. This guide will help you chisel out your dream physique, but it's about more than just looks. It's about feeling strong, confident, and capable. It's about knowing that you have the power to change your body and your life. It's about the journey, not just the destination. It's about building strength, confidence, and a healthier lifestyle. Fitness is a lifelong journey, and it's one that you don't have to take alone. Surround yourself with supportive people who share your goals and values. Together, you can push each other to new heights and achieve things you never thought possible. This is your call to action. It's time to take charge of your fitness journey and make a commitment to yourself. No more excuses, no more procrastination. The time is now. You have the power to change your life, and it starts with a single step. Are you ready to take control and sculpt your ultimate body? It's not going to be easy, but nothing worth having ever is. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But if you stay focused and keep pushing forward, you will achieve your goals. Let's embark on this transformative journey together, step by step, towards a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Every journey begins with a single step, and every step brings you closer to your goals. Together we can achieve greatness. Remember, the masterpiece is within you, waiting to be revealed. You have the power to create something amazing. Believe in yourself, stay committed, and never give up. The journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Let's get started. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a finely tuned car, it requires the right kind of fuel to operate at its peak. To function at its best, it needs the right fuel. This means consuming a balanced diet that provides all the essential nutrients your body needs. Nutrition is not about deprivation, but about providing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. It's about making choices that enhance your health and well-being. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and support muscle growth. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help your body perform at its best. Prioritize lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. These proteins are not only low in fat, but also rich in essential amino acids. These are essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Protein is the building block of muscles, and consuming enough of it is crucial for anyone looking to improve their physique. Don't forget about healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are not only delicious, but also provide a host of health benefits. They are crucial for hormone production, brain function, and overall well-being. Including healthy fats in your diet can also help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and ensuring that your body functions properly. Water is essential for numerous bodily functions, including muscle recovery and nutrient transport. It helps to flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking healthy and vibrant. So, make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your body in top shape. Now that you're fueling your body correctly, it's time to put in the work. A well-rounded workout routine is essential for sculpting an aesthetic physique. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, such as squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. These exercises are highly effective for building overall strength and muscle mass. Incorporate both resistance training and cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Resistance training builds muscle, while cardio improves cardiovascular health and burns calories. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Many people underestimate the importance of rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and rebuild after intense workouts. This is when the real growth happens. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for muscle recovery, hormone regulation, and overall well-being. In addition to sleep, incorporate rest days into your weekly routine. Rest days allow your body to fully recover and prevent overtraining. Active recovery, such as light stretching or walking, can also be beneficial on rest days. Consistency, the cornerstone of transformation. The key to achieving any goal, especially transforming your body, is consistency. It's not about having perfect days, but rather about showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth. Schedule your workouts in advance and stick to your plan as much as possible. Remember that even small, consistent efforts will yield significant results over time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Every journey has its ups and downs. Mental fortitude. Staying motivated. Transforming your body is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strong mindset to push through the tough times. There will be times when you feel unmotivated, tired, or tempted to give up. These moments are inevitable and part of the journey. This is where mental fortitude comes in. Find your why. Understanding the deeper reasons behind your goals can provide the strength to keep going. Why do you want to sculpt your ultimate body? Is it for better health, increased confidence, or to achieve a personal milestone? What are your motivations for embarking on this journey? Identifying these motivations can help you stay focused and driven. Write down your goals and reasons for wanting to achieve them. Visualize your success. This practice can make your aspirations feel more tangible and within reach. Imagine yourself feeling confident and strong in your body. Picture the sense of accomplishment you'll feel after reaching your goals. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Having people who encourage and motivate you can make a significant difference. Share your journey with friends, family, or an online group. Sharing your progress can provide accountability and additional motivation. Use tools like fitness trackers to monitor your progress. Seeing your improvements over time can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements can boost your morale and keep you moving forward. Seek inspiration from books, podcasts, or motivational speakers. Sometimes a few encouraging words can reignite your passion. Lastly, remember to take care of your mental health. Meditation, mindfulness, and self-care are crucial for maintaining motivation and overall well-being. Real transformations, real inspiration. Countless individuals have embarked on their fitness journeys and achieved incredible transformations. Their stories are a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a positive mindset. Take inspiration from these real-life success stories. They serve as a reminder that if they can do it, so can you. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and progress takes time. Focus on your own journey and celebrate your own achievements, no matter how small they may seem. The journey to sculpting your aesthetic body is not just about the end result. It's about the positive changes you make along the way. It's about pushing your limits, discovering your inner strength, and becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and learn from the setbacks. Remember that this is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. Cultivate a healthy lifestyle that you can maintain for the long haul. Sculpting your aesthetic body goes beyond just physical appearance. The benefits extend to your overall health and well-being. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. Exercise has also been shown to improve mood, reduce stress and anxiety, and boost self-esteem. When you feel good physically, you also feel good mentally and emotionally. It's a holistic transformation that positively impacts all areas of your life. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. It's the decision to start, to commit to yourself and your goals. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. There will never be one. Start today, right now. with whatever you can do. Every journey begins with a single step. Remember that you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. Sculpting your aesthetic body is an investment in yourself, a gift that keeps on giving. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Enjoy the journey, celebrate your progress, and embrace the transformative power of fitness. Remember that you are capable of achieving incredible things. The masterpiece is within you, waiting to be revealed. Now go out there and sculpt your ultimate body.